Hey everybody, Tony Craft here, and these are my children. This is Scout, who you've seen in another video where we dyed her hair. And this is Isla, who you have never met. She's the 3-year-old. Hopefully you can see her under this table.
Yeah.
And I'm going to try, giving myself a little challenge here, I'm going to try to dye the tips of both of their hair in one video. So we are doing ultraviolet dye because ultraviolet was named the color of the year, which is very exciting. And these guys love purple, so ultraviolet is perfect. And this is Manic Panic. Manic Panic does not damage your hair at all. It's vegan. It's really just a pigmented conditioner, so often your hair is nicer afterwards. Because they are blonde, we don't need to use any bleach. I wouldn't anyway on their hair. The initial burst of color with dyes like this is really only like maybe a week and a half. And then it will slowly start to fade. I think it just depends on how often you wash your hair. If you're a daily washer, you're probably only going to get a couple weeks out of a semi-permanent dye like this. Okay, and how do you guys feel about dyeing your hair?
Good. Good. I'm not scared to paint my hair.
You're not?
No.
All right, well, let's do it.
Forever.
Okay, say bye-bye. We're going to go dye our hair.
Bye-bye. We're going to go dye our hair.
Oh, and say ultraviolet color of the year 2018.
Ultraviolet in the hair.
Okay, so I am just gonna put a little bit of Vaseline on her ears and stuff so we don't get any dyed bits. We're not doing a full head application, so I'm not too worried about it. And this just helps with staining, because this kind of stuff will stain. Like I said, it's a very high pigment, so once it gets on your skin, it kind of doesn't come off. Just gonna put some gloves on here.
I'm so excited. Popcorn.
Gosh, this is really hard to get off. I'm just sort of brushing it a little bit uneven to kind of uneven that line so it's not a straight line across. Just kind of blending it. Okay, so we're pretty much dry. She's still a little bit wet. This one's pretty dry. This color is really interesting. Like in my studio lights, it looks blue, but the second you go into normal lighting, it looks purple. So I guess that's definitely ultraviolet, right? Because violet is blue and purple. So it's interesting. I think it looks pretty cute. Both the kids said they wish their whole head was this way. I think it's pretty punk rock.
If you like this video, please press the unicorn button. I mean the like button. Unicorn button. Subscribe.
Let her say.
Subscribe. Right now. Bye. Bye.
Okay, ready? We do 3 kisses when we say goodbye. Okay, ready? So, goodbye. Thanks for watching.